Hi, I'm Anthony and I'm a contestant of the 1 meter of pie challenge. And in this challenge, we are tasked with growing food in space. So for my first experiment, I chose to grow some radish. You can see it's right there. And what I was doing was growing it in my chamber design. You can check my design out in my 1 meter of pie blogs. But for this video, I'll be showing you what the pot system looks like. As you can see here, I have a metal can. This can can be taken from your grocery store and retrofitted into a reservoir. So I would lift this up. You can see there's water. Put the camera down there. You can see there's water in there. And that water is being wicked up through these Kimtech wipers and all the way up into the pot. And you can see the Kimtech wipers are sandwiching the radish right there. So now you might be asking, what is that substrate right there? That doesn't look like our traditional soil. Well, that's calcium clay. Why do I use calcium clay? Because it's a type of substrate that doesn't compress over time. It's very porous and it's very absorbent, so it can hold air and water, which is good for the roots. Roots need both oxygen and H2O. So let's take a closer look at the plant leaves. They're very, very healthy. And they're getting nutrients from a slow release fertilizer called NutriCoat, which I mixed in with the substrate. You can't see it because I mixed it in deeper inside the substrate. But what you can see is that these nutrients are being absorbed by the plant. And now you might be wondering, why did I choose radish? Well, radish is a very fast growing crop. It can be ready to harvest in just 3 weeks, which is extremely fast for any type of plant. And if you take a close look, you can see the radish is popping out. And what's very interesting about this experiment is calcium clay cannot be compressed, right? So my initial assumption was if I grow radish, it's going to be very tiny. But what appears to have happened is that the radish poked its head out of the soil and is now growing to a sizable radish. Can't wait to eat it, can't wait to try it, and grow more plants in my 1 meter of pie challenge.